What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a coding puzzle straight from the Google for Developers channel that you can see on the left side of the screen. It's a common JavaScript quirk that can catch beginners off guard, but understanding it will boost your coding skills. Let's jump in. On the right side you can see the code snippet. It creates 5 buttons. Clicking a button should display an alert saying you clicked button number. Simple enough, right? But if you actually click the button, it always shows you clicked button 5. What's causing this weird behavior? So here is the deal. The issue lies in how JavaScript handles variable scoping, particularly with the var keyword. When we use var to declare the loop variable I, in this case, it's not confined to the loop itself. In simpler terms, there is just one I variable for the entire function. Each time the loop iterates, that single variable gets updated. So how to fix this? This is where let comes into the rescue. Let creates block scoped variables. This means a fresh new I variable is created for every single loop iteration. So let's change the var keyword to let. Now if you run the code with let, each button will trigger the correct alert. The key difference is that let captures the correct value of I within each individual loop cycle. Let's check this. See, I click button 0 and it shows you click button 0, unlike it was showing 5 before for any button we click. So why this matters? This concept might seem small, but it's a building block for understanding how closures work in JavaScript, which can get pretty advanced. So mastering let and where will prevent some frustrating bugs like these from popping up unexpectedly. I hope this explanation shed some light on this common loop pitfall. Now you know the power of let when capturing the values within these loops. Did you ever encounter this kind of problem? Share your experiences in the comments below. If this video helped you out, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding content, and hit that share button to spread the knowledge. Thanks for watching and see you next time.